Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brooks Ghost 16. The Brooks Men's Ghost 16 is a highly popular neutral running shoe, designed to deliver a smooth, reliable ride for daily training and long-distance running. Known for its balance of comfort, cushioning, and durability, the Ghost 16 builds on the success of its predecessors with thoughtful updates for an even better running experience. This model features enhanced DNA Loft V3 cushioning, a nitrogen-infused midsole material that offers a softer, lighter, and more responsive feel underfoot. The result is a plush yet energetic ride that absorbs impact while maintaining a lively toe-off, making it suitable for easy runs, tempo sessions, and everything in between. The engineered mesh upper is lightweight and breathable, providing excellent foot support while promoting airflow to keep feet cool and comfortable. A secure yet flexible fit adapts to different foot shapes, enhancing overall comfort without feeling restrictive. The outsole design has also been refined, with a segmented crash pad and durable rubber strategically placed to deliver smooth transitions and long-lasting wear. Whether running on pavement, treadmills, or light trails, the Ghost 16 provides reliable traction and stability. True to its reputation, the Ghost 16 maintains a neutral support profile, making it ideal for runners who don't require added stability features but still want a dependable shoe for everyday use. It's also a great option for walkers and casual wearers seeking cushioned comfort. Weighing slightly less than previous versions, the Ghost 16 strikes a great balance between lightweight feel and dependable cushioning. Its smooth ride, upgraded midsole, and breathable design continue to make it a go-to choice for a wide range of runners. Overall, the Brooks Ghost 16 delivers a comfortable, cushioned, and versatile running experience, perfect for neutral runners seeking a durable and easy-to-love shoe for daily miles. Number 2. Sakuni Triumph 22. The Saucony Men's Triumph 22 is a premium neutral running shoe built for runners who prioritize maximum cushioning, comfort, and smooth transitions over long distances. Known for being one of Saucony's most plush offerings, the Triumph 22 improves on its predecessors with a major upgrade in midsole foam and overall ride feel. The biggest change is the introduction of Per and PB cushioning throughout the midsole, a lightweight, energetic foam that delivers ultra-soft landings combined with excellent responsiveness. This gives the Triumph 22 a bouncy, lively feel without sacrificing the luxurious underfoot softness that long-distance runners crave. The engineered mesh upper is redesigned for a more accommodating fit, offering enhanced breathability, plush padding around the collar and tongue, and a more secure, supportive wrap around the midfoot. This results in a more comfortable and locked-in feel for longer runs or all-day wear. Saucony also refined the outsole design, using durable rubber in high-wear areas to extend the shoe's life while ensuring smooth, efficient transitions from heel to toe. Grip is reliable on road surfaces, making it a strong choice for daily training, recovery runs, and marathon prep. Despite all the cushioning, the Triumph 22 maintains a reasonably lightweight profile for a max cushion shoe, helping runners avoid feeling weighed down during longer efforts. It continues to provide neutral support, making it best suited for runners with a natural gait who don't need stability features. In short, the Saucony Triumph 22 is a top-tier option for runners seeking plush, energetic cushioning and a premium, comfortable fit. Ideal for everything from recovery days to high-mileage weeks, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants maximum softness without losing performance. Number 3. Reebok Floatride Energy 6. The Reebok Women's Floatride Energy 6 is a lightweight, versatile running shoe built for daily training, casual runs, and cross-training workouts. Known for offering excellent value, the Floatride Energy 6 combines responsive cushioning, a comfortable fit, and a sleek design, making it ideal for runners and active individuals who want both performance and everyday comfort. At its core, the shoe features Floatride energy foam in the midsole, a lightweight, bouncy material that provides soft landings and a springy, energetic ride. This foam offers a great balance between cushioning and responsiveness, making it suitable for short runs, tempo sessions, and even light gym workouts. The upper is crafted with a breathable mesh material that offers improved airflow and helps keep feet cool during intense efforts. Updated from previous versions, the redesigned lacing system provides a more secure, adaptive fit across the midfoot, while added overlays enhance support without adding unnecessary weight. The rubber outsole is durable and designed with a grippy tread pattern to deliver solid traction on roads, treadmills, and light trails. Flex grooves built into the sole allow for a more natural foot movement, enhancing overall comfort during runs and walks. The Floatride Energy 6 maintains a lightweight and agile feel, helping runners stay quick on their feet without feeling bogged down. It remains a neutral running shoe, ideal for those with a natural stride who do not require extra stability features. In summary, the Reebok Floatride Energy 6 offers an impressive blend of lightweight cushioning, responsiveness, and everyday versatility at a very accessible price point. It's a strong choice for runners seeking a reliable, comfortable daily trainer without breaking the bank. Number 4. New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3. The New Balance Men's FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 is a high-performance running shoe designed for runners who want maximum cushioning, energy return, and speed for long-distance training and racing. Building on the success of previous versions, the V3 model features key upgrades in both comfort and performance. The shoe's standout feature is its FuelCell midsole, which offers exceptional energy return and a soft, propulsive ride. This foam is paired with a carbon fiber plate using New Balance's Energy Arc technology, designed to improve running efficiency by maximizing forward momentum. The combination delivers a springy, responsive feeling that encourages faster paces while minimizing fatigue over long distances. The engineered knit upper has been refined for a lightweight, breathable, and supportive fit, ensuring the shoe feels secure without being restrictive. Padding around the heel and tongue adds comfort, while the streamlined design keeps the overall weight surprisingly low for a highly cushioned shoe. The outsole features a durable rubber material placed strategically for grip and durability on road surfaces. Its design also enhances flexibility and smooth transitions from heel to toe, supporting a natural, energetic stride. Despite its high stack height and maximum cushioning, the FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 remains nimble and fast-feeling, making it ideal for marathon training, tempo runs, and long racing events. It's best suited for neutral runners who want elite performance features in a shoe that can handle heavy mileage without feeling overly bulky. In short, the New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 offers a dynamic blend of cushioning, carbon-assisted propulsion, and lightweight comfort, making it a top choice for runners looking to train hard and race fast with confidence. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 Running Shoe. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 is a top-tier racing shoe, engineered for serious runners seeking elite speed, energy return, and efficiency for marathons and long-distance races. Building on the highly acclaimed Adios Pro 2, the third version introduces subtle but meaningful updates for even better performance. At the heart of the shoe is the Lightstrike Pro midsole, featuring 2 layers of lightweight, ultra-responsive foam that provide exceptional cushioning without sacrificing speed. Embedded within the foam are Energy Rods 2.0, carbon-infused rods shaped to mirror the bones of the foot, offering a powerful, propulsive feeling that enhances forward motion and reduces energy loss during runs. The updated outsole uses a new Continental rubber design for improved grip and durability, even on wet surfaces, while maintaining a lightweight feel. Traction has been optimized for road racing, giving runners the confidence to push the pace without slipping. The upper is constructed with a lightweight, breathable mesh, offering minimal weight and excellent ventilation. It fits snugly, securing the foot during fast, aggressive efforts without adding bulk. Padding is minimal but strategically placed to enhance comfort during long races. Weighing in lighter than many competitors, the Adios Pro 3 strikes a perfect balance between plush cushioning and raceday speed, making it ideal for marathoners and elite runners chasing personal bests. It's best suited for runners with a neutral stride who seek a highly responsive and energetic feel. In summary, the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 is a high-performance marathon racing shoe, offering elite energy return, superior grip, and a lightweight, propulsive ride. It remains a favorite among competitive athletes aiming for peak raceday performance.